The petitioner has prayed for issuing a mandamus to the respondents to consider his regularization on the post of assistant accountant and further to pay arrears of salary of the said post. The petitioner has also assailed the order dated 6 February 2014 passed by the UP State Public Service Tribunal, Lucknow. The petitioner had claimed his regularization on the post of assistant accountant on the basis of long officiation on the said post. It was stated that his case was also recommended by the project manager for regularization on the post of assistant accountant via letters dated 4 January 1990 and 8 December 1990. Para. Mr. Shishir Jain, learned counsel for the respondent 1 and 2, has raised objection against the maintainability of the writ petition on the ground that the petitioner had sought to the regularization on the post of assistant accountant earlier by filing a writ petition being writ petition number 3158 of 2014 before this court. This court, wide order dated 7 July 2014, dismissed the writ petition on the ground that the petitioner had earlier approached the State Public Service Tribunal by filing a claim petition seeking a direction for his regularization of his service on the post of Assistant Accountant WEF 1 December 1990 and further for payment of salary of the said post with all consequential benefits. Learned Tribunal had allowed the claim petition and issued direction to the respondents to consider his case for appointment/regularization on the post of assistant accountant, whereas the petitioner's claim was rejected by the respondents on the ground of non-availability of post of assistant accountant wide order dated 20 August 2007, since the department had not considered his case for regularization. He had filed a contempt petition being contempt petition number 41 of 2014 before the tribunal for compliance of its order, which was dismissed being barred by time, but the order passed by the tribunal was not challenged. Therefore, the learned single judge has dismissed the writ petition. Para. It has been submitted that since the relief sought by the petitioner for regularization as well as for payment of salary against the post of assistant accountant had already been dealt with by the learned single judge, there is no reason for this court to entertain the writ petition for the same very relief again. Insofar as the order dated 6 February 2016 passed by the tribunal in contempt matter is concerned, the learned tribunal has observed that since no post of assistant accountant in general category was vacant, the petitioner could not be appointed and accordingly his representation was disposed of. Therefore, there was no error in the order. Mr. Jain has further submitted that the learned tribunal wide order dated 17 February 1998 passed in claim petition number 2252 of 1995 had allowed the claim petition with direction to the petitioner to accept the appointment on the post of messenger, and the respondents were directed to consider his case of regularization on the post of assistant accountant in due course in accordance with rule in the light of observations made by the tribunal in the judgment. over.